welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Mpumi. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the crew. And if you have been here, you know the drill. Mwah, I love you so much. Please make sure you're subscribed, period. Also guys, so I don't know if you can obviously you can see, but have I ever done a room tour? I have never. But anyways, I did some swooping around in my room. So before, it's messy. Hey, okay, don't mind the mess. We're gonna clean it together. That's the reason you're here. We're gonna clean it now. I was getting to that part, and then, but anyways, so wait. So the bed is now like this. Okay, wait. Okay, so now the bed is positioned like this, and before it was positioned there, which means my study table was over there by the window. There's too much light. Okay, my study table was by the window. I think I should empty it a little because like there's just too much stuff going on there. So it's a bit messy, guys. Don't mind it. This is the new state of my room. That's my fridge. I need to do those dishes on top of the microwave. Yep, that's it. Okay, so now that I've showed you my room and how I've repositioned it, we're gonna go and wash my dishes, and then we're gonna cook. We're gonna make a meal. We're gonna make pasta. I think I already took out the mince, but I'm not sure, so I will double check. So first things first, the dishes. So I stay very close to the kitchen, like literally next door to the kitchen, and I can hear someone scraping their pot. So I'm not going to the kitchen until it's silent because I'm scared for my life. But yeah, that's it. Ooh. So stay tuned, guys. Oh, also guys, I do apologize for not posting this week. That's because there was nothing going on. I've been in my room for literally 8 days. I did not do anything. There was nothing fun going on. So I'm just gonna try and make this vlog a bit longer because I usually post like 15 minutes and stuff. So I'll make it a bit longer. Bye. I'm still alive. It's kind of weird that I'm actually like vlogging and the people walking in and out, and I don't care.
What do you call a peasant now?
We know.
You call what?
Hi guys, so today's a new day. Today is a Sunday. Today I am helping out a friend. Okay, so yesterday I went shopping with an acquaintance. yeah, I went shopping with an acquaintance to help them do something special for their girlfriend, which is my friend name. And then today we are doing the setup. So what time is it? It's like 11 now, 11:30 or 20 past, I don't know. And I'm waiting for the cake. I'm gonna show you guys the cake when I get it, and then I will put a link of where to get the cake, and I'll also put like their Instagram details, because it's gonna be a gorgeous cake. If possible, I'll try and vlog. If I can't, I'll just like show you a mini results video of what the entire setup looks like. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is a Monday and we have prep after this, so I'm just unbraiding my hair. I'm gonna go to prep, but I need to like make a plan for my hair because look at how dirty it is. Yeah, but then I'm gonna make a plan for my hair. I don't know what, because I never just wear my hair in ginger. I'm always in braids or something, so everyone's gonna get a shock of their life seeing me in my natural hair. So I'll see you when I'm doing something fun. If today's break is fun, then yeah, bye. So guys, this is what my hair looks like right now. This is what, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna eat, and don't mind the dirt, it's kind of dirty because I just took off the combos. I'm just wearing it like this because I need to go to practicals, come back and go to dance. So we're gonna do that, and then can't wait to shock people don't know my hair is this big. So when I come back, yeah, so I'm gonna go to practicals, come back, go to dance. Today we're doing ballroom. Okay. Oh, also I have big news to tell you about dance, but I'm kind of running late because I need to go and buy Padmano first. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then now I'm just gonna do my edges. Like I don't really do like edges. I'm just gonna like brush them back so they look neat, you know, clinical aesthetic. Guys, I look like I have cancer without eyelashes. Outfit of the day. I'm just gonna go check if Last is here because I miss her. Hi. You know what? Oh, mine does that. Yeah, I'm looking like, and it's like, I'm like, no. Oh, sorry, it's not a wig. I also don't know what it is. Sometimes they say wig, sometimes they say wig. I don't know. I also don't know how to differentiate between them. Oh we're not matching hair anymore. At least high five. Okay. Ballroom is not my favorite, or maybe it's because I have never danced with a partner, and I don't have like a choreo like of my own. I'm just doing basics. So at least Latin we have choreo. Yeah, so I'm on my way back, Gamanje. And honestly, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Every time I'm doing ballroom, I feel like I'm doing it for the first time. I suck in ballroom. Latin is okay. Latin is nice. Latin is fun. Quick, fast, in a hurry. But then ballroom is like just a bit complicated, and there's a lot of steps that I'm like. So what you saw there, that's not me. That is not me. So hopefully I'll show you something proper on Wednesday. Oh, this guy's looking at me. I'll show you something proper on Wednesday when we're doing Latin. I'm excited. Come back to us, man. I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna go. Hey, that's it for the vlog, guys. Guys, that's it for the vlog, man. Yeah, Tanda. Why is the moon full at this time of day? Anyways, I love you so much. Love you loads. I will see you guys the next time. I'm ending this one because I want to start saying because this was supposed to be uploaded Friday and it's now Monday. So it means this week I might post 2 vlogs, maybe. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe because you can't be watching just for fun. Join the Kulala. Bye.